Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I am Cassandra Thompson, your 30 something makeup loving normal gal making videos for other 30 somethings here on YouTube. And today we are talking about my everyday makeup drawer. This is my first video back from vacation. I think I missed a week. I think it was about a week and a half for you guys. Sorry. I was on vacation and then I was sick, like real sick. You didn't want me to make a video. So here we are, we're back. It's everyday makeup drawer for August, or shop my stash. This is how I'm getting through products, but as I'm saying it, I'm remembering that I have quite a few new items in here. So let's just get into it. Drawer by drawer, because I keep it in my little Charlotte Tilbury Advent. So I'm finally busting out the L'Oreal Magic Lumi. I bought this a long time ago. It's the Light Infusing Primer. Hadn't used it yet. And it's supposed to be a dupe for some of the other Radiance primers. I have it on today. I like it. It's good. We're good. Of course, because it never leaves my Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. This is the redness correcting under eye. I'm not going to ever get rid of it. I also have a couple other things in here when I want to switch it up. So the Supergoop Daily Correct CC cream is in here when I don't want to use foundation. Certain days I'll use that. And also, it's been about 9 months, the CYO Illuminating Mixing Cream. I might mix this into my foundation some days because it's August, and so this is the time to be radiant and glowy. But I might be a little too glowy today. We'll talk about it. But if you remember, I did a video on this a long time ago. If you've been with me for 9 months, you saw this. This is from Walgreens. I think it cost me $4, and I was super impressed by it. You mix it into a foundation, and it'll add radiance, and it does it with a nice sheen, and I liked it. So, foundation. Now, if you've been with me, you know that I had a rule of no foundations, BB creams, CC creams bought until everything's gone, but my vacation brought me back as a new color, and I'm loving this color and I want to keep it. So I went, and none of my foundations, BB creams, etc. really matched me, or the ones that kind of did, because there were a couple that I was a little dark for. I've gone through them. I went to Sephora and got a new color IQ, and I was not crazy. I am like a legit completely different color, and she matched me, and we went with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which I was really excited about because everybody on YouTube has raved about this, and so I have it on today. I'm super impressed. I love the way this looks. The color it gives on me, it blended into my skin. When she tested it, it blended in so perfectly that I went, did you put it on? Like, it just looks seamless. It's a medium coverage, medium to full. It's buildable, oil-free. I'm in love. We gotta move on. Bringing out the Wet n Wild, because this was too dark for me. This is the light medium beige. This is their Photo Focus Concealer. This is a great drugstore concealer, and it was too dark for me, and now that I'm dark again, I thought, let's finish it off this month. Because you can see, well, you might be able to see, there's like a line in here, and it's down there. So there's only this much left. Because everyone is talking about the Tarte Maracujá, I can't say that word, concealer that now came out, they repackaged it, and it actually looks like this. I have the old packaging when it was in a tube, and a little goes a very long way. So I'm gonna take that dot, show you on my hand. I mean, that little dot could be your full under eye. So I thought, since I saw everyone using it, I'm like, let me bring it back out. Let me use this up. So I've been using that under my eyes. Okay, no cream bronzer this month. We're taking a bit of a bronzer break. I need a minute, which I know seems counterintuitive for this time of year, but I'm just good with that one. So my cream cheek this month is the Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in Pixie, which that tells you nothing, so let me show you. So just a great, like, it's a little on the, it's towards the red-orange side, but it's still pink matte, if that makes any sense. But I also have brought out the Perk Up Lip and Cheek Treat from Supergoop, because I'm afraid these products from Supergoop are going to go bad and I want to use them while I can. And so this one's more of like a pink punch. So depending on what I'm wearing that day and what I'm going for in a look, I'll switch between the two. And then finally using my Becca Champagne Pop, the correct term for it's like the liquid highlighter, but their thing is Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight. Okay. So for me, this is actually a much more wearable version of Champagne Pop than the powder one. I still use the powder, but I just don't think I'm the right coloring for it. I'm probably more of the pearl, I think it's pearl, in Becca colors, so that's why. But been using that. So face powder, I think I had this, I don't know if I used this yet this year, but this is the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. This came in either an Ipsy or a Sephora Play. I'm pretty darn impressed with it. It has blurring effects. It does kind of settle in fine lines, but I found nothing that doesn't. But I'm really, really liking this, so I've been using this the last couple of days, and this will be my one for the month. I'm also curious, like you can see where it's at. I don't know what's on, oh, that's just writing. You can see where it's at. It's full up to there. So I'm curious to see how long this lasts. I think that's what's been the most interesting about this whole thing, is seeing how long this stuff lasts me. Like we go, oh, this is so small, this won't, it lasts a really long time. There are other powders that I just haven't even gotten to. I mean, wow. Okay. So bronzer this month. I'm not sure if I'm for it. I was going through stuff and I'm like, wait. I know I have another Hourglass bronzer because I love the Hourglass matte bronzer. I'm like, I know I have another one. Let me find it. Because we all know these last forever, even though they're the minis. So this is the Luminous Bronze Light. This is the bronzer that has shimmer marbled into it, and a little bit of glitter if I'm really on. Okay, I've got nowhere left to swatch. Let's see if you'll even be able to see that. Oh, you can. So it swatches beautifully. I don't know if it's the brush I used or what, but I feel like it came out patchy. I don't know if I love how much shimmer is in it. This is, I don't know if I said it, it's a Luminous Bronze Light. It is in the Ambient collection. It's the lighting bronzer, so depending on lighting, it might look really nice, but just in certain light, I think it's a bit much and it came out patchy. But we're gonna try it for the month and see. Then, two blushes, kind of depending on which cream ones I use. Rockateur, which I really, really love, and it smells good. And then California, which is the one, these are, sorry, I didn't say it. These are both Benefit. They were in that little set I got that I believe is still at Ulta. If it is, I will put it in the description box below. California is the one that I thought I would love. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a peachy pink. I thought I would love it on my skin. I'm not sure. Once again, maybe it was the brush I used. I'm not sure. Gonna have to play. I mean, that's partly what this is all about. I am using my super fancy Profusion Eye Primer. This eyeshadow primer, this is just like a stick, but the consistency inside is very, very similar to the Urban Decay Potion Eye Primer Potion one, and Too Faced, I was gonna say Better Than Sex. Nope. Shadow Insurance. My gosh. Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Very similar. So I'm using that up. Then I have the Benefit Gimme Brow, a little one, in a 3. And so it's the Fiber Gel, Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. So it's 3 for me is a little dark, but I kind of like it. So I'm using that this month. I will do palette last. My eyeliner this month is Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Crayon in Rococo. So it's kind of, it's the bronzy brown. Oh, let's see if I can do this with my left hand. All right. It's a bronzy brown. It's a little lighter. I've got it on my inner rim today. And then I am using Marc Jacobs mascara this month. This is the Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I do love this mascara. It's just that it's so pricey. There are other mascaras out there that I buy instead. But like, if this isn't a Sephora favorite set or something like that, oh my gosh, it's so great. And then I'm still putting my NYX Proof It on top, which makes everything waterproof. Love. Okay, now for palette. So y'all, last month I got the Born to Run from Urban Decay. I got that ColourPop palette that I'm still pretty obsessed with. Like, that is a legit amazing palette. But we all know I love NYX, and NYX has not come out with palettes lately that I was really into. You know, my love for Avant Pop Nouveau Chic is very strong. My the Contour Intuitive one, the title makes no sense because it's an eyeshadow palette. Love, love, love. And then I saw people talk about this giant NYX palette, and they swatched it and said it was actually pretty good. And I have a NYX store, and I went yesterday and I swatched it, and I couldn't help myself. This is $35, which, considering that NYX right now is also selling a palette with 10 small pans for $22, $35 for this is amazing. Because look, I am not gonna wear this green a lot, but if I want to play, the freedom to play in something that only costs 35 bucks, great. I'm wearing it today, not the green. I'm wearing the palette today, very neutral colors. I believe I definitely used this, 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 this. This color is actually beautiful. Let me swatch it. It's got a shift on it. It's gorgeous. And then the two browns. But what a fun way to play. Let me know in the comments, do you want a video just on this palette? Like, I'm thinking of doing my first, like, one palette, 5 looks. I mean, this could be endless looks, but I want to play a little bit more. I want to get a little brave on color. And my goal really is to find a way to use color and make it wearable for, like, work and adult jobs. So I thought this would be a fun way to play. Let me know if you want that video, but this is this month's palette. Highlighter this month. No main highlighter. I don't mind. What I have out right now is Champagne Pop. I didn't put it on. Let's put it on. Oh, I already have on my, what's it called? Why is my brain? Oh, wow. That took a long time to find that word. I already have on my Urban Decay All Nighter, so I don't know how this will go on top of it. Oh, that side I see it. Okay. I feel like sometimes when it's on top of All Nighter, it gets patchy. But, yeah. Do I just have stripes now? Gotta blend down. Blend down. Okay. So I am using that, but not every day. And then, just because I want to finish it off, I believe it was in last month too, this is the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. So I'm going to continue using this because I want to see how long it lasts me. But today I used All Nighter. Anyway. And then lip-wise, okay, so lip-wise, you know, I don't do my lipstick sitting here. It's normally whatever colors are in my makeup bag, but I do like my lips to stay moist while I'm sitting here. So right now it's the Sugar Nude Fresh is what's just kind of out on my counter that I put on while I'm getting ready. So that is it. That is everything for this month. Let me know in the comments if you want a video just on this palette, or what kind of video you want on this palette, and what you are using this month, trying to use up. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. And right now you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.